Yo, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in and coming back to every video that I've been making for y'all. We just got to the barber shop, and what I'm about to do, what I just went to go do, I went to go pick up my package from UPS just because I missed it yesterday while I was at the barber shop. But what we're gonna do is an unboxing. I remember ordering a pair of clippers and trimmers that people were talking about that Baby's kind of upgraded and did better. I bought the first version, so compared to it, we'll try to compare it and see what the difference is and how strong the motor sounds. We're gonna get back inside the barber shop right over there. We'll do the unboxing and we'll see what goodies I just got. So I'll see you guys back inside. Alright, shout out VIP Barber Supply over to me, right? So they're always hooking me up with the good stuff. Tend to always purchase my stuff over there. Feel like they got the best prices when it comes to buying quality stuff. Next strips, I ordered 2 of them up in here. Ordered these, but I got the Uno 2.0s. The single foil. So I'll let you guys know how I like these. I've never used a single foil. I always use a double foil one. These the foil head replacements for my Baby's one, and I got my Stylecraft ones. They threw me in a brush, the roots, comb, clipper. One I've been waiting for. The Lithium FX. So I've been hearing great stuff about these, but honestly I don't know until I try it. So it says it's a long life DC motor, 6,800 RPM. It's ergonomic grip housing, lithium battery ion, 2 hours of cordless runtime. Overall, everything, I guess this is an upgrade. I do have the first version that I was talking about. So the switch is at the bottom. Let's see how it sounds. These are fully charged. I've used these a couple times until I heard the new ones came out, and I just never really tended to purchase them, but obviously I saw they were having a sale on Black Friday, so I hopped on and had to get these. Because they came with the trimmer, so it was a plus. This is a win-win. You can tell the difference, obviously. One is gold, one is like a rose gold type of color, like rainbowish color. I don't really know, like a burn metal color. That do have different blades. This has a, correct me if I'm wrong, Chameleon FX, and these just came with the regular gold one. I don't know if it really even has a name. And it came with the trimmers, same blade. Oh yeah, these sound strong. I always love trimmers. I don't know what it is. Come with number indicators on the side, the switch lever. Now let's listen to this again before we turn this on. Remember, this is not charged, but this one's fully charged. Now the new Lithium FX, the upgraded version. Switch is on, this one's on the bottom, this one's on the side, but we can definitely tell a difference when you turn them on. Listen to this one. Listen to this one. Listen to this one.
Content guy.
But these sound a lot more powerful than these ones do. Upgraded version, bro.
Wait, this one is?
No, this one.
This one. It's definitely a lot bigger. Oh yeah. There's a big difference in power, but damn, these feel nice.
gonna finish off the video doing, we're gonna test these out, and then I'll let you guys know my after all review about what I really think about these upgraded Lithium FX.
Nothing really big. It's good. I mean, they don't have anything big you really want. They need that spot. Big. Well, I'm not buying my fiber like that. They're like, yeah.
What you doing this weekend? Just finished off the day, so I wanted to talk to you guys about what I thought about the Lithium FX. Honestly, my personal opinion, I used it all day. It didn't die on me without being fully charged. So honestly, that's a plus. So battery life is good. Overall, the experience and the way it's in my hand and the way it sounds and the way I was using it, in my opinion, it's a valid clipper. I would say it's definitely it's better than a beginner clipper, I feel like, but beginners can also use it. It's just good in the hand, light, not too powerful, but it does the job. It is a good budget clipper. The trimmers hit out of the box. I didn't adjust it. The clippers are getting the bald line out, so that's a plus. I didn't really have to adjust anything to the clipper. Overall, solid clipper. But we just finished off the day in the barbershop. It was a pretty successful day today. We did 10 haircuts today, so it was a good solid day. Blessed to be here another day and just working towards my dreams. So I'm headed home and I'll pick it back up once I'm in the car. Just made it to the house. I decided to pick up the camera one last time before I end the video. Basically I've been having something that I thought that's been in my head. I don't really post too much stuff of the way I live and like personal stuff, because I just feel like my content should kind of just, life stuff should differ from my, I guess, business, what I'm trying to do, show you guys things in the barbering world. I would say lately everything's been good. Blessed to have whatever I have in my life. Family, clients, just everything in general in life. I'm blessed to have that, and comparison was from where I started and where I'm at now. I am blessed living the life I am living. I'm the type of person that stays humble and always tries to show people how to win. And by that, I mean, even if it's a small thing, like you get a new job, you're getting paid differently, that's a win. That adds more money to your life and lets you live a different lifestyle that you never thought you could live. So that's what I basically wanted to say. I'm blessed to have the life that I have, and I'm blessed to have the clients that I have. I'm blessed to be busy every day. I'm blessed to be able to put content out for you guys personally. And I'm just blessed in general. And I want to let you guys know, keep chasing that dream you really want to chase. This new year, 2024, I say it's going to be the biggest year so far for me in my career. But at the same time, it all kind of depends and comes down to if I step my foot on the ground and do what I need to do to be in the position I want to be in. So remember, it's definitely always up to you to decide where you want to be at in life. So if you want to advance and live a different life and keep building that career, or it doesn't even have to be barbering or anything in life. If you want to keep building that, go ahead, keep building that. Believe in yourself, because no one can chase those dreams but you, because you're the only one that knows what to do. But that's kind of my motivational speech of tonight. But I'm going to end this video off. Remember, it's your boy JSmooth. Keep a good mood and stay smooth. And I'll catch you on the next. Peace.